First, add Sparkle PNG. You can download free from Google. In Effect Controls, scale it down and position it where you want your sparkle effect. Add keyframe to scale at beginning. Set value to 0. Move 6 frames forward. Set value to 8 or 10. Again move 6 frames forward. Set value to 0 again. After that, add keyframe to rotation. Move 12 frames forward. Rotate value to 15. Then duplicate the layer. Go to Effects. Search for Gaussian Blur. Just drag and drop it to down text layer. Set blurriness to 300 or above for glow. As you can see, this glow is added. You can decrease and increase the blurriness for the glow. I will set it to 400. That's it. Enjoy.